Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. Let me ask you a question. Do your walking body rolls look something like this? If that's the case, you need to keep watching this video. I'm going to give you 4 super important tips that are not only going to help you learn the correct way, but also are going to help you master those tricky walking body rolls. So stay tuned, you guys. All right, quick learners, let's go ahead and follow along. But before we do that, let's recap because we do need to know how to do the regular body roll at this point. Yes, if you don't know that, please refer to this video. Now, for my quick learners, let's go ahead and just point out the things that we need to know for the regular body roll. Remember, we need to imagine we have a wall in front of us and we're going to be touching the wall first with your chest, then with your belly button, and then with your pelvis. Yes, and the last point is just sitting. Okay, so now starting with your knees bent and a contraction in your body, we're going for first chest, belly button, pelvis, and sit down. That's for the regular body roll. Now let's add the walking. All right, okay, same position, contraction. For tip number 1, we have the same thing, which is the expansion, plus we need to take our leg back. Only the toes, no weight at all. So point number 1, we go expand and toes. Now you need to imagine there is a fence right here that you need to flip over. Yes? So point number 2, belly button, you put a little bit more weight on the right leg. Point number 3, pelvis, your heel is already down and your weight is entirely on the right. Now, point number 4, sit down and close your feet. Let's go again, all right? So we're gonna go a little bit faster, just mentioning 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? And go, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, if you're still confused, don't worry because we have a detailed explanation in the next section. Next. All right, you guys, let's break it down a little bit more. Remember, 4 tips, super important. We agreed that we need to start with the knees bent and we need to start with the contraction in the body. Why? Because that's going to allow us to make more visible, more visual, the expansion, yes? So if we're here, we can only open so much. If we're here, then it looks more dramatic. Make sense? All right, so that being said, let's try that. We're here where our knees bent with the contraction of the body, yes? For that, if you are having issues with that one, I also have some exercises that you can try, isolation exercises. So watch this video. All right, so bend your knees, contract. Now, for tip number 1, remember we said we're going to have, there's 2 actions happening. There is the expansion of the chest, and there is the starting to set yourself up for the walking, okay? So now, we're here, we go 1, expand, and take your toes back. If you notice, I'm not putting any weight on it yet. It's just the toes, yes? Because if I'm doing it by myself, I'm allowing myself to prepare for that. If I'm doing it with a partner, if I'm leading, then I'm allowing my partner to step back, yes? So it's super important that you move that leg on 1. So we're here, so we go 1. You're going to imagine that there is a fence and you're trying to flip over that fence, yes? So one more time, we go 1. Now, for point number 2, remember we said we need the belly button, yes? So we're here on 1. Now, On 2, we go a little bit more over the fence, and we put a little bit more weight on that right leg. Now, for 3, you're gonna bring your hips forward, yeah, as you put your heel down. And you keep that shape that we talk about, which is called the D shape. Okay? You're still trying to flip over the fence. Now, for 4, since your weight is already here, you just relax your hips, sitting down, and then also put the weight on the left leg so we can continue moving along as much as you want. I don't know how many you want to do. Okay? So let's practice that. Let's go again on 1. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1. Really exaggerate this. If you're having issues with this, again, I have isolation exercises, and I also have stretching exercises that you can check out. So we're here on 1. Yes? Now 2, belly button, and wait a little bit. 3, pelvis or hips forward and heel down. And 4, relax your hips so pretty much your booty is out, and then put the weight. And we continue with the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends, and everyone is gonna be much happier in a better world of body rolls. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel and to click on the notification button so you will not miss a thing. And see you guys next time.